Add my team up at the top and we'll be fucking fishing. Fishing for the money, it's funny because we efficient. Got me Merg, Lucid, and Tech, it Rain, Andy, and a biscuit. Yo, we rolling around, we breaking necks like chickens. I freestyle's not written, the cops coming, I start sprinting down the street, hit the curb, then I'm going 110 miles per hour up on my Nikes. Don't look like me, so they wanna fight me. Strike a pussy, my dick's frightening, it's lightning, ooh. I'm enlightening, cause I teach you do shit you gotta fucking know. When I'm smoking on that green, nah, man, don't fuck with that blowing. That show is why I live. I do this shit violent, cause I said once I'm violent, and this shit so my rhymes get zoning out. I'm doing shit and I'm zoning out, cause I'm blowing loud and it's going down, and I'm coming up, then I'm going down, and it sucks, so I just smoke a little more. Got my girl, don't fuck with no whore. Close the door, lights off, smoke this shit, then I'm gone. Yeah, I'm gone, but I gotta come back cause the beat didn't end, and I just gotta begin to write a new beginning, and it's a new chapter to my life. And you gotta roll the dice cause you don't live twice, and you gotta do wrong when you know it's right, cause that's life. You gotta take risks. I don't really know, I slit my wrist and watch the music flow up out my veins. No one really even knows the pain. Hardly people even know my name except in my high school, but man, that's a damn shame. We only got like 300 kids up in there, and it ain't fair because I got the talent and knock the exposure. Fuck your man, this beat's closure. Oh, it's over.